Today we get to tour this beautiful, modern, contemporary, custom-built home in West Sacramento. This home is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath, and has 2,986 square feet of living space. And did I mention it's on a 1-acre lot? I'm so excited to show you guys this home. Before we get started, hey, I'm Steve Gonzalez with the Gonzalez Real Estate Team. Welcome to another episode of Living in Northern California. Now you guys ready to take this tour? Hand it off to my girl Rose. Come on.
Hey guys, come on in. As soon as you walk into the home, over here to your left, you have an office or a bedroom with a closet. And across the hall, you have a junior suite, a bedroom with a full bathroom and walk-in closet. Before we get to my favorite part of the house, let's go down this hallway right here. So you have access to your 3-car garage. Right here you have your laundry room with a sink. A full bathroom. And a bedroom. All right, you guys, so come on, let's go to the main part of the house. So we have a great open space here with the living room, the kitchen, dining area. I love the fireplace, this amazing chandelier. It's super unique. It's kind of got that like rustic look. We have 17-foot ceilings and a ton of windows. Look at all the natural light that's coming in through this house. Here in the kitchen, you have this oversized island with quartz counters. You have cabinets up to the top of the kitchen walls. And I love the little accent that they have. They have like white cabinets here, and then on the island you have gray cabinets. And then obviously here you have your dining area with this beautiful chandelier as well. All right, so I'm gonna pass it over to Steven to do the master suite.
Oh shoot. Hey, what's up guys? Hey, welcome to the master suite of this beautiful home. As soon as you walk in, as you can see, you have all this natural lighting and this door that's gonna get you to your huge backyard. And then right above us, check out this oversized ceiling fan. And let's go ahead and take a look at the master bathroom with your dual vanity, your soaking tub, walk-in shower with walk-in closet. Hand it off to my girl Rose. I'm gonna go back to sleep. So.
And now we're in the backyard looking at these oversized windows on this extra high covered patio on an acre in West Sacramento.
Whoa, cut,
hey guys.
How'd you get in this video?
You guys forgot you invited me. I'm the newest member of your team.
That's right.
All right, you guys, this is our newest team member, Andy Solis, and he's gonna take you guys on the tour of this amazing backyard. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's
Take it away, buddy.
Follow me. With the endless possibilities, you could have your swimming pool to the right, your RV park to the left, and all your entertainment behind me, oversought by this beautiful live oak behind you. How'd I do, guys?
Andy, you did great, but there's one last thing I forgot to tell you.
Yeah.
Our outro.
What's that?
It's kind of Rose's thing, but now it's our thing. So this is how it goes. If you guys have not yet, send a little love to that subscribe button. Hit that notification button so you can be the first to know what's going on here in Northern California. Andy, he did great. Welcome to the team. Love to have you. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions, comments, please leave it below. We'd love to answer any of them. See you on the next one, guys.